Do animals deserve to be treated as pets? As human evolution progressed, he learned to coexist with animals. Instead of hunting animals for food, he started using them to gather food. As time progressed, he categorized them into domestic and wild animals. Domestic animals were mainly used in farm for labor-intensive work, and in return, humans took care of them and protected them from predators. All remaining animals, other than domestic animals, are considered wild. They live in forests and they are capable of taking care of themselves. Apart from these wild and domestic animals, there is also a third part which can be called pets. These pets can be broadly categorized into three groups. These three groups are domesticated domestic animals, domesticated wild animals, and domesticated humans. I'll start my point of view with domesticated human pets, also known as slavery, which dates back to early human civilizations. I want you to close your eyes and remember the lead characters of these two movies, Django Unchained and Truman Show. If you haven't watched them, please check them out. They are worth your time. In Django Unchained, Django shows the dark side of slave trading. Slavery is any system in which principles of property law are applied to system, which means people are treated like property. In broader sense, slavery is any situation in which an individual is forced to work against their will. Next, we move on to the Truman Show, in which Truman grows up living a life that takes place in a place called Sea Heaven, which is actually a television set, and all the people he interacts with in day-to-day life are actors. Once he realizes this, he tries to escape. Truman and Django, both of them are humans like us. They are capable to go through what they have been, either by themselves or with the help of fellow human beings. Now, combine the two of them and replace the human who suffered with a pet animal. This is what we are doing to them. All of us, at some point in our time, must have bought a little pet from a pet shop to our home. Like all animals, these pets also have a sense of empathy. If you take a baby away from a mother, it experiences profound distress. How can we do this? What about their freedom and their right to determine their own life? Ultimately, we bring them into our lives because we want them. And then we dictate what they eat, where they live, how they look, even whether they get to keep their sexual organs. It is morally problematic because more people are thinking of pets as family. But we know, deep in our heart, we do not have the right to control every aspect of their life. So, I hope you all set them free.